Hello everyone. Today our lesson is going to be how to divide fractions. So first we need to know our vocab. The first is the multiplicative inverse. So this is when multiplied together the product is 1. And then we also have to understand what reciprocals are. It's a number and its inverse. Lastly, how do I divide? All you have to do is multiply by the reciprocal of the number. So we're going to practice a few here first. Dividing fractions. So write the multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal of these. So 3/5, the reciprocal is 5/3. 13, okay, anytime we have a whole number like this, you always put it over 1. So the reciprocal of 13 is 1/13. Now this gets a little bit trickier because we have to turn this mixed number into an improper fraction. So we multiply, we add. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 2 is 11. Excuse me, 11/9, and then the reciprocal of that is 9/11. Next, you are going to do the next two, finding the reciprocal. So the reciprocal of -5 2/3 is, and then the reciprocal of -5/8 is, all right, so here you can find the steps. You can watch a YouTube video of it if you'd like. I'm going to try this first one for you. So all you do in this is you take the reciprocal of the second number. So you cross this out and you have 8/5. Now you multiply. 4 times 8, 32. 7 times 5 is 35. Okay? Can we simplify this? So if you think about it, you have 32 and you have 35. So multiples of 32 is 1, 2, 4, 8, and then 35 is 1, 5, 7. Nope. No LCM. So our answer is 32/45. Next, you will try 4/9 divided by -8/9. And that is, all right, what happens when they are mixed numbers? We have to change them, like I did earlier, change them to improper fractions. And I believe I did that right here where it's 1 2/9. So we have to change it to 11/9 to get it as an improper fraction. So that's what we have to do here. Okay, I will do the first one for you. 4 2/3. So multiply, add. So we have 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 is 14/3. And then we have multiply, add. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7/2. And then it's divide, and this is negative. Okay? So now we do the inverse. So we cross this out, which makes a multiple, 2/7. Okay? Then multiply, multiply. 14 times 2 is 28. 3 times 7 is 21. Well, this is an improper fraction. So now we do 28 divided by 21. Well, it only goes in one time. 21 only goes into 28 one time, so we have our 1. So then we do 28 minus 21. We have 7 left. So that goes in the numerator. We bring the regular denominator down, 1 and 7 over 21. But if we look at this, LCM of 7 is just 1 and 7. LCM of 21 is 1, 3, 7, and 21. So we have an LCM. We can divide both numbers by 7. So divide by 7 by 7. 7 divided by 7 equals 1. 21 divided by 7 equals 3. So 1/3. So our answer is 1 and 1/3. Okay. Now you are going to do negative 2 3/4 divided by negative 2 1/5. Lastly, you can do 1 1/2 divided by 2 1/3 is negative 1 1/4 divided by 12 is, and that is it for today's lesson. As always, if you have any questions or need help with some of the content, don't hesitate to hop on my WebEx. Shoot me an email and we can set up a time to meet, or we can just meet during our regular class period time as well. Look forward to hearing from you all. Good luck.